Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox 360, then remove the hard drive and faceplate so you can access screws. Use an anti-static strap and lay parts on a clean, organized surface. This prevents shorts and lost screws. Once done, remove the outer shell with Torx T10/T8 and a spudger while photographing each step to track screws and clips, because correct reassembly depends on exact screw placement and clip order. You now expose the internals and find the fan assembly. Visually check blades, wires, and connector pins for damage, since physical faults are common failure points. Use compressed air in short bursts to remove dust from heatsink and fan. Do not overspin the blades. Next, unplug the fan and, if possible, power it briefly from a controlled 12V source to verify the motor. This confirms whether the problem is the fan or the board's power delivery. You install a matching replacement fan and plug it in firmly, ensuring correct orientation so airflow goes across the heatsink. Next, remove old thermal paste from the CPU and GPU, apply a thin, even new layer, and reseat the heatsink to restore thermal contact. After reassembly, power the console and monitor temperatures and fan behavior. If the fan still does not run, measure voltage at the motherboard fan header, because the problem may be power delivery rather than the fan itself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.